You the great sculpture, Indian Presidential Award winner, who made this sculpture with his heart and soul, came specially on his own expenses to witness this mammoth celebrations. I request Mr. Prasad Prasad, as well as his co-sculptor, Kamadhenu Prasad. There are too many Prasads here. So I request them to stand up, be recognized, please. Please come here, please come here. And also, it is my special honor and privilege to inform you that Honorable Deputy Speaker of Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly, good friend Mandali Buddha Prasad Garu is here. I also request him to come and be recognized here, please. Padma Shri Dr. Yarlagadda Lakshmi Prasad, well-known literary figure in Andhra Pradesh, Kendra Sahitya Academy winner, Dr. Yarlagadda Lakshmi Prasad are also with us here today. To special occasion, please come and be recognized, sir. We also have Mr. Y.V. Subbareddy, Member of Parliament from Government of India, just came for this purpose. We also request him to come and grace the occasion, please. We also have Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao Perala, convener, National Security Cell, BJP, is here. Thank you, sir. Dr. M.N. Raju, MNR Education Trust chairperson, he was here fortunate to have witnessed both occasions. He was here for groundbreaking ceremony and as well as for this. We welcome you, sir. We are having T. Srinivas Reddy. He is international award-winning photographer. He is a great journalist, photographer journalist. We request him to be here on the stage. We have Mr. We are also having Ms. Dr. Aluri Venkata Sivakumari, Secretary of Lions Club Chennai. Please be and recognize. Indian Embassy represented by Mrs. Chandra Valluri. I think she is here. We request her to be here. Ms. Chandra Valluri. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
देवियों और सज्जनों, आंध्र प्रदेश राज्य सरकार की ओर से हमारे उपसभापति आंध्र प्रदेश के मंडली बुद्ध प्रसाद जी, डॉक्टर तोटकूर प्रसाद जी और उनके सभी टीम और यहाँ के लोगों को गांधी जी की प्रतिमा भेंट कर रहे हैं।
Thank you all very much for coming halfway around the world, all of you. And now I'd like to invite a very, very special friend of our community. She had to drive only a few miles to this place, but without her, this project, ladies and gentlemen, would not have happened. I'm talking about the Honorable Mayor of the City of Irving, Mrs. Beth Van Dyne. Please come to the stage. We absolutely